Hi guys, today we are going to do Tom Kha Kai. There are two internationally famous soup from Thailand. One is Tom Yum and the other is Tom Kha soup, which is what we are cooking up today. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. This delicious Tom Kha chicken has a coconut milk as a dominant ingredient, making it milder and less sour than Tom Yum soup. Creamy colored, creamy tasting, this soup is quick to make. It's tasty, it's different, it's awesome. The famous Tom Yum soup can be a bit too sour and spicy for some people taste. We will make Tom Kha chicken. You can easily change the chicken for some pork or seafood for a different taste. Let's go make it. Here are the ingredients for Tom Kha Gai. Chicken. Today I'm using chicken thighs, shallots, Thai parsley, coffee lime leaf, lemongrass, galangal, fish sauce, lime juice, tamarind paste, dry chili, mushroom, coconut milk, and plain water. Let's go to the next step. So first of all, I'm going to roast the dry chili and then set aside. For Tom Kha Gai, we don't want the soup to be spicy. That's why I'm roasted dry chili and then crush it, and I will put it in the soup when it's finished. So the spiciness won't get much into the soup. Once we're done with the chili, and then we will make stock in the pan. The chili is done. Just give a crush, don't pound it too fine. Done. Here you go. So next step, we will make stock. First of all, add plain water in pan. 2 cups of water. And then we will add chicken bone from the chicken thighs that we take the bone out. Take the bone out from the meat, and then we will make chicken stock from the bone. Chicken bone. For our stock. And for the meat, we chop it up to the small size, easy to eat, just like that. And then we will eat it later when our stock ready. I have 4 chicken thighs here. I already chopped it up. I will add lemongrass, crushed lemongrass, and galangal together in stock. Galangal smell give you a fresh smell. Crush it. Easy to take it out when the stock done. Oops. And then we put the lemongrass in. This is the base for the stock. So while we waiting for the stock to get ready, but this one, you can eat galangal together with the soup because I use the the young one. Crushed shallot and coffee lime leaf. Take the middle bit off. And the stock is ready. Then add chicken. Once you add the chicken, leave it like that. Don't stir the chicken up. Let it boil again. Then you can stir it up. Shallot, galangal, lemongrass. So now the chicken is about 90% cooked. So I'm going to add coconut milk. Oh, coffee lime leaf first. So for now, I can smell the soup from galangal and lemongrass and coffee lime leaf and shallots. Make it very, very nice smell. And you can see the soup here. It's creamy. So next thing, I'm going to seasoning with fish sauce, get the umami taste, tamarind paste, give you a little bit sour, and juice. For the fish sauce, you need to add a bit first. Then, if you want more, you can adjust later. We need to add the mushroom. And the mushroom, we don't want it to cook. I mean, overcook, right? Because the mushroom will be soggy. For this recipe, we can serve for 4 people. I need more fish sauce. And lime juice. That's it. My Tom Kha Kai is done. So we turn the heat off and then I will add Thai parsley and serve it up for you.